Namaskara. Now I am teaching Adho Rukshasana. Adho Mukha means reversed, ulta, down facing. Ruksha means a tree. Asana resemble the down facing tree, hence the name. Who should not do this? Person who has undergone bypass surgery, back surgery, knee surgery, wrist surgery should not do this. One who is suffering from high BP should not do this. Advantage of this asana. This asana strengthens the arms, wrist and the abdominal organs, improves sense of balance. This asana provides good blood movements to the head portion that helps to prevent eye problems and ENT problems. While doing Adho Mukha Rukshasana, first you should learn to balance with the help of wall at least for a week. You should make the hands strong because you are going to balance whole body and the hands itself. You should make them strong. So you should take wall support initially. You should learn to balance at least for a minute every day for a week. Then after learning that, you should learn to fall. I'll show you how to fall. You should learn to fall, or else after some time, suppose after 60, 70 years, he'll scared to do that. I might fall, I might get problems. He'll keep this fear in the mind. So you should learn to fall. There you should learn to keep legs down while falling. First, you should rest your palms on the ground, then exhale, body become light, then lift the body. Try to keep your legs on the wall. Stay for 1 minute every day. Now I'll show you how to do. Just rest your palms on the ground like this. Keep 1.5 feet distance between the wall and the palms. Then exhale and lift the body. Keep your legs on the wall. Stay for 1 minute. Keep the knees tightened. Then exhale. Take the legs down. Relax for a while. Should practice for a week. Then I'll show you how to fall. First, take like this. Exhale and lift your body. Try to fall opposite side. Like this. Just learn to keep your legs down. Take support of Guru. If you learn this, you won't get that fear while doing. If you fall, no chance of getting problems. See here, observe carefully. You should learn this. Then that fear will get off. Then you can learn properly. Now I'll show the final stage of Adho Mukha Rukshasana. Should raise the arms up, straight them up like this. Then take the left leg front. Exhale, bend the trunk front. Rest your palms on the ground in front of the body. Raise the head up. That will support a lot. Then exhale and lift the body. Keep its weights on the arms. Keep the legs straight. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds according to your ability. Then exhale, come back to the resting pose and relax. Practice Adho Mukha Vrikshasana in the sequence. Be careful. Practice Adho Mukha Vrikshasana daily and get all these benefits. Happy time.